they hated, didn't think we make it. Now they break their neck just to look at me. Remember when I called you and you didn't fall through? Now you hate yourself, you can look at me, look at me. You hate me.
And what up, what up, what up? What's good with y'all? Alright, so what are we getting into today? Today we have a little chill day. You guys know that we just picked up the C6 and we need to get some miles on that thing. So today we're gonna be taking that out. We're also gonna be taking out the pups. We're gonna be going to this like river thing. Kimbo loves the water, wants to swim, so we're gonna be taking them out. We're gonna be taking Kimbo, we're gonna be taking Nos. It's gonna be me, Nita, my little cousin, and all that. So y'all kind of just come along with us as we're putting miles on this, and we're just having a chill, nice little family day because it is gonna be, I think, about 100 today. So before we do anything, first thing we need to do is what about to do? Wash
the car.
That's right.
Even though it's gonna get dirty on the way there.
Let's go. Still needs to be clean. That thing is filthy. You see what that car looks like?
No, I didn't see it.
Looked like somebody poured dirt on it and then sprinkled water on it. Yeah, it's bad. So yeah, that's what we get into, man. So right now, me and Nita about to go wash up the Corvette, and then we're gonna be on our way out. Grab the dogs and head out. The LSA 350Z, and then we got one of my favorite cars. I miss this thing so much. I definitely need to go to Works Customs and have them realign my bumper and everything. Since the bumper had came off for the Supercharger, it's like fitting like caca now. So, well, not really fitting like caca. We just have a pretty big gap right here. So I'm gonna have my boy Jesse address that. But yeah, this thing's dirty. So.
Fast life, the fast living. They see the ambition, they know I'm past driven. Look, we are not the same, this is not a game. I be swerving through the city in and out of lanes. Yeah, cause if I see it, then I want it, then you better know I got it. Ain't no options, I'm about to do the damn thing. I'm an outlaw, you can never catch me. I'm in first place, you can never. These are the moments, only got one life. This is your moment, whether wrong or right. You're your own enemy, your own enemy, your own enemy. When I fall, I keep running. Feel the pain, but I love it, yeah. You know I'm built for it, you ain't gotta ask twice. You ain't by that fast life, 100 on the dash with the cash light. You ain't by that fast life, big dog status with your stats like. You ain't by that fast life, just know 100 duffels is the bag price. You ain't by that fast life, 6 speed, yeah, I'm smashing on the gas.
All right, there it is. All cleaned up now. Nice and clean. Got a few watermarks when I just opened the hood. This is such a beautiful car to look at. Like, I love this car. It's crazy, like when you see my car next to an actual Z06, you can actually see how much wider the car is and like the factory wide body. Like next to a Grand Sport Z06 or ZR1, you just like, damn, that thing is chunky. I love the wrap, but man, I hella miss the carbon. Maybe eventually I'll take the wrap back off and have the carbon exposed. But dude, when the dogs get the harnesses on, they're like amped up out this world. You ready to go? You ready to go? Let's go! Let's go! You ready to go? Let's go! Let's go! You ready? Y'all ready to go? Hey, nigga, let me, you know better. I walk through the door first. Come on, come on, come on. Hey, come on. Load up. Nos, load up. Come on, load up. Kimbo, let's go. Come on. Come on, fat boy. Load up, load up, load up. Nah, you're not driving, bro. There you go. Yeah, get back. Warm this up. Or not warm this up. AC this up for Nita. Don't want my baby sitting here with no AC. Y'all ready to go? You ready to go? Oh man, we always do cold starts of the 350Z, but it's been a minute since y'all have heard this thing, so we gotta do a C6 cold start real quick. Chopping. Then from the front we get the blower noises. I love the way this thing is. Kimbo! 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 No, no! No, no! No, no! Nah! Kimbo! No, no! Oh, no, no! You don't want to come? Forget you then. Temperature does start going up a little bit with the freaking AC on as we're going uphill. So we're almost at our destination. I've literally been idling down this hill. All right, so we just getting here. Now they go meet up with the old lady, grab the babies. There it is. Look at that nice clear water. See the bottom, see the rocks, all that. Nice and clear. Almost there. Kimbo's like, water. Little water dog. Nigga's like, that ground is hot. Cool off these paws. Huh? Sure. This is the first time Nos has even been in the water. Usually he full hate taking baths. Now he's just out here just cooling off, I guess. No, no. Come here. No, no. Come here. Hella nice day. Hella nice day out. Got people over there. And then there's other little spots, but this is the spot we always come to, so. This fool don't listen, so now he on a leash. He wanna run in the bushes and shit. There's rattlesnakes out here. And also we got Karen complaining, so I don't feel like fighting nobody's husband today. Mad cause y'all pit bulls and a bully. Stereotyping y'all. You wanna go? You wanna go see your brother? He's over there. Oh, for sure. Come on, bro. Just got in here. Make your ankles go numb. It's like ice water. Nigga, it's cold.
I like an ice bag.
What is this? Alright, so we're getting ready to leave right now. Look how beautiful this is. Come on, fat boy. Woo. Sprinting up that hill. Out of breath. Alright, so just getting home and it is super hot today. And man, right now this thing's sitting at 226 idling. I really don't know if I like this fan combo. Before my car ran a lot cooler. Granted it was NA, but I'm not sure I'm sold on this 16-inch single small fan, man. Kind of like possibly gonna return this and go with the dual fan setup or something, or probably use the factory fan control, because right now it runs off its own like little standalone harness thing, and it basically is like a brushless fan setup. But I mean, maybe I need to get a different thermostat to where it actuates quicker, because right now I have the low fan cuts on at 190 and the high speed fan cuts on at 215, but they do offer one where it cuts on at like 165 and the high speed fan cuts on at 185, and I think I'm gonna probably switch that out to that, because cooling, I mean, don't get me wrong, 220 to 235 is like perfectly fine on a hot day operating temps for Corvettes. I know it sounds crazy, but that's like normal operating temps. But I really like to keep this thing around the low 200s or like 185 range. Before, that's where it used to be at. It used to be at like 185, but the fans were always on. And yeah, but I'm not completely sold on this single fan, man. I might also have to put a pusher fan on the front of the AC condenser, because with the AC on, like, it just can't keep it cool in traffic. And yeah, so we might have to put a pusher fan on the front of the condenser to hopefully help with that, because this is still a street car. It is hot out here, and I do want to drive around with my AC and stuff. So I mean, right now it's chilling at 225, but coming from before where it was at, how it would, like, on a hot day it would be like 200 was like damn, it's kind of hot. But now it's like 225 is almost like normal. So maybe I'll play with the fan settings, get a different thermostat. Hey, Kimbo. Play with a different fan setting, or possibly look into a different option. I know it's normal, but I just don't like it. I just don't like it. So yeah, we'll see. I'm gonna talk to Ray at Sack Speed Shop, see what other options we got, run this by him, see what his old Supercharged setup used to run, and get an idea or a ballpark of what the other Supercharged cars used to run. He said that his car, when he would be driving with AC on, he said that his car would run at like 235. With the AC on the freeway, I'm at like about 220 to 225 range. So I mean, it is running cooler than his car was, but still, yeah, we'll see.